Welcome to Spring Creek Farm Townhomes, where modern living meets comfort and convenience. You'll love living at Spring Creek Farm Townhomes. Enjoy the community's open spaces, perfect for outdoor activities and gatherings, yet conveniently located on Woods Drive, just minutes from the Carlisle Pike. Spring Creek Farm Townhomes offers easy access to a wealth of shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Spring Creek Farm Townhome is also nestled in the renowned Cumberland Valley School District, offering top-notch education for your family. Discover the customizable 3-bedroom Birkdale Townhome designed to suit your lifestyle and preferences. Select from walkout and daylight home sites, maximizing natural light and outdoor living space. Each townhome comes with a garage and a 2-car driveway, ensuring ample parking for you and your guests. Spring Creek Farm Townhomes, where comfort, convenience, and community come together to create a perfect place to call home. Welcome to Spring Creek Farm Townhomes.